everyone, it's Raquel, and today I'm going to be making Jamaican rice and peas in just a matter of minutes. Yes, this is quick, easy, and so delicious. So for this rice and peas, I'm going to be using the red kidney beans in the can. And this is a requested recipe. I'm also going to be using a can of coconut milk, but feel free to use any brand of your choice. So now to a pot, I'm going to be adding 2 cans of kidney bean, which is already cooked, and do not throw away the liquid. The liquid is what is going to give this rice and peas a bit of color. I'm also going to be adding 2 cups of water along with some chopped garlic. I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the garlic has flavored these beans a bit. So now I'm going to add the coconut milk. And normally I would boil my peas from scratch, which will take about 1 hour. I would blend my fresh coconut milk. So an authentic Jamaican rice and peas would take roughly 2 hours to cook. But sometimes you do not have that time. So this is the easier version, which tastes just as good. And now I'm going to season and flavor this pot with some fresh scallion thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, a bit of salt, and some jerk seasoning. Yes, the jerk seasoning gives the flavors of the pimento seed, the nutmeg, really nice. But you could always substitute it with some all-purpose seasoning. I'm also going to be adding a bit of sugar to balance out the flavor, and you want to season this rice and peas as best as you can. So even though it's the shortcut version, it's still going to be delicious. So now I'm going to add some butter, which is very optional, and I'm going to cover this down for another 5 minutes so the season could flavor the pot. And while that is cooking, I'm going to wash about 3 cups of parboiled rice. And you could use any rice of your choice, whether it be basmati rice, long grain rice, any rice of your choice. And by washing rice, this will help to remove the excess starch. So know that this is flavorful, and when I tell you, this is smelling really good. So now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to mix everything together, make sure it's thoroughly mixed. I'm going to bring this to a boil. Then I'm going to lower the heat to its very lowest. I'm going to cover and I'm going to allow it to steam for about 20 to 25 minutes. So 25 minutes later, the rice grains are fully cooked and this is smelling really good. And this took about 35 minutes in total and it's ready. And I'm going to serve this up with some brown stew chicken. A link on how to prepare the brown stew chicken will be listed down below in the description box. And I want to thank you so very much for watching.